Earlier, we used to take physical notes at the meetings. Recently, we all started recording the audio during the meeting to review them later, but usually it is a very tiring and overwhelming process to listen an hour-long audio recording, get all of the information from it, and once again, make note of them to get the context and all of the important things discussed in that meeting. The Comulytic Note Pro is going to solve this problem as it is AI-powered voice recorder that comes with AI summary, transcription, contact management, and lots of very advanced features which are going to improve your productivity related to the meetings. Recording on Comulytic Note Pro is very easy. All you have to do is press this button once to turn it on and then press and hold it. It will vibrate a bit and then the audio recording will be started. So it's very fast, very easy to use, and here is a display as well that will keep showing you that how much time is going on, what's the battery status, whether it is connected with your device or not via Bluetooth. So the recording process is extremely easy on Comulytic Note Pro. Now let's talk about what happens after you are done with recording the audio. So for all of the advanced AI-based features like the summary, transcription, etc., you will have to use the Comulytic smartphone application. So once you are done with the recording of the audio, the files will be transferred here. So as you can see right now, it is just showing the name. It will analyze what are the context of this audio recording and then it will give it a title by itself. So that's very advanced, and here you can see that all of my conversations are with a title that is generated by the Comulytic Note Pro application, and all of them are totally accurate. This one you can see it's just 2-second video, there is no context, so it is showing the date itself. So once the file is transferred, what you can do is just tap on this and then you will get some options. So you can see the extract is generated very quickly here, and it is showing the a little summary of what we are talking about in this audio clip. So you can see I was talking about the audio recorder, how to use it and how easy it is to use, and here is the abstract for that. Now what you can do, you can either play it or you can just tap on generate now, and then it will start generating the transcript and summary. Here is the basic summary option. Another one is deep dive suite. That is a premium feature and you will have to pay for it, but Comulytic is good enough to provide some of the premium features for free. For example, you can see I can use the deep dive 3 times in a month. So I'm just going to go through the basic summary stuff, and you can see it is showing number of speakers. If you know, you can select how many speakers are there. It's going to help Comulytic Note Pro application in finding that how many speakers are there for proper tagging and recording language as well. I'm not going to select any of them because Comulytic Note Pro is really smart when it comes to detect the number of speakers or recording languages, because I tried it on multiple languages like English, Hindi, Urdu, a bit of Arabic as well, and it was totally able to distinguish the language. Transcription was perfect as well. So just let's tap on generate now. Depending on the audio clip, it will take a bit time. For an hour of audio clip, it takes around 6 to 7 minutes usually. And here you can see that the title of the audio file is completed as well. So audio recorder, basic operation and status. So as you can see, it is pretty smart, and here is the transcription of whatever I was saying in the audio. It detected that just the speaker one was talking and all of the stuff is here, and the transcription is totally free. It's unlimited. Does not matter how many audio you are going to record, it's totally free and you can keep using it forever without facing any issue, without paying anything extra. If you tap on summary, then it will start generating the summary as well, and then it will give you the exact information that what was being discussed, what are the important stuff, what are the pain points, everything it's going to share with you in this summary section. So as you can see, there is a notification as well that the summary is ready, and here is the total summary. There is an overview part, a different section talking about the different parts of my audio recording. So this is the summary, it's very detailed. Then what we got are the insights and highlights. These are the premium features, but once again you can use it 3 times in a month if you pay some extra money to Comulytic. I got so many different audio recordings on different topics, and every single time the Comulytic application was able to detect all of the stuff perfectly. For example, if I'm going to this one, so here you can see we got the abstract, there is the transcription, it's in Hindi and it's very nice But the thing that really surprised me about Comulytic Note Pro is that sometimes the transcription is not so accurate. Sometimes it's very gibberish. I'm not sure if you can read Hindi, but here you can see it's going a bit gibberish, repeating the same stuff multiple times. It happened so many times in this discussion here, as you can see. But if I'm going to the summary section, then there is no issue here. Everything is perfect, and you can see how it summarized an hour-long audio recording, and I went through all of this and everything was perfectly mentioned here. So even though the transcription is a bit wrong, it's a bit gibberish, but the summary and abstract somehow are totally perfect, and that's really impressive. Once again, you can go to the insights and highlights. If you are a premium member, or even if you are not, you can use them for 3 times in a month. And another interesting thing here is that it comes with Ask AI feature. So after reading, let's say you went through the summary here, and then you got the pain points and needs and everything, and you want to reply back for this meeting via an email, or you want more information, then you can just go to the Ask AI section, and here you can ask for some more help, write a follow-up email, and it will be ready for you by the Comulytic AI application here. So that's really nice. You can see once again it is just getting some questions, pulling some questions out of the summary and transcription of the audio recording. So this is going to be really helpful for sure. In the Comulytic app, you also get the option to name the speakers for an audio recording, and if you do that, and then if you go to the Contact tab, here you will find all of your contacts mentioned as speakers in any of your audio recording. For example, for this particular audio recording, inquiry about shipping a used smartphone internationally, here you can see I have tagged DHL as one of the speaker, and then in the contact section it is showing DHL here. Now if I go here, it will give me all of the information that when was I talked to this person last. Here are the conversation that I used with this particular speaker, all of the details. And once again, if you want to get insights and you go with the premium feature, then it will give you even information, insights, advices, suggestions that what you can do with this particular contact based on your conversation. So that's really impressive as well. Under the Action tab, you can create notes, reminders, etc. Once again, based on your conversation, and then you can take actions on them. And then if you go to the Me tab, here we got the information regarding the account and what are the usage plans, etc. You can cloud backup all of your conversation, and then you can switch your smartphone, or you can access the Comulytic web application, and you will find all of your audio recordings there as well, not only on your smartphone. You can create your voice profile as well. Once it is created, the Comulytic application will give you a smarter transcription and personalized summaries. You can also go through the preference and do some of the customization like AI content language, career type, in which sector you are working. So if you got some of the technical stuff being mentioned in the meeting, then it will also detect all of those terms and words. You can even create your custom dictionary, and you can select the app language. And if you go to My Comulytic devices and then go to your device, then you will get the option to update the software of your Comulytic Note Pro as well, as you can see here. So as you can get the idea, the Comulytic Note Pro is a very powerful device if you are spending good amount of time in meetings, in taking notes, talking to other people for business purposes, or you can use it just as a voice recorder, as your personal reminder as well. Talking about the unboxing experience, inside the retail box you will find the Comulytic Note Pro audio recorder, a magnetic carrying case, the quick start guide user manual, some magnetic adhesive rings. Then we got the charging cable along with a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter. Now talking about the design, the Comulytic Note Pro is very lightweight and quite thin It is just 3 mm thick, as you can see. If you attach it with your smartphone, it does not add any bulk to it. Here we got the button to switch it on and record the audio, and here is the display that shows the information whether the audio is being recorded, what is the battery status, and the Bluetooth status. So very minimalistic design. Here on the back you can see we just got the regulatory information and the pins to charge the Comulytic Note Pro. It comes with these pogo pins to charge it, and once the Comulytic Note Pro is fully charged, it can record up to 45 hours of audios, and you can get up to 107 days of standby time. So you do not need to frequently charge the Comulytic Note Pro if you attend lots of meetings. Once in a week is good enough. The transcription accuracy is up to 98%, so once again that's quite impressive, and it can provide transcription in 113 languages. So it does not matter in what language you speak or recording the audio, the Comulytic Note Pro will be able to give you the transcription correctly for that particular language. It comes with 5 meters of indoor pickup range and AI noise cancellation to record crystal clear audio. In the retail box you will also find this carrying pouch that is magnetic, so all you have to do is just put it inside, and then you can attach this part with your smartphone if it comes with MagSafe compatibility, or with any smartphone if it got a MagSafe case. You can charge the Comulytic Note Pro without removing the case, and you can use it right from here once again without taking it out. This is how you can connect the Comulytic Note Pro with this case with a MagSafe compatible smartphone. If you have a smartphone that does not come with MagSafe compatibility but got a case that comes with MagSafe feature, then you can still attach it with your smartphone and use it. There will be no issues or reduction in the performance of the Comulytic Note Pro audio recorder. Or you can use it separately as well at your desk if you do not want to keep it attached with your smartphone. It's totally up to you. And if you use the Comulytic Note Pro with your smartphone, then the good part is that you can use it for call recordings as well. It records very nice quality audio during the call, and some of the audio recordings that I was showing you in the Comulytic app were actually recorded on the audio call. So you can use the Comulytic Note Pro in multiple ways. Attach it with your smartphone, use it as a recorder during the meeting, putting it on the table either separately or connected with your smartphone, or you can use it for recording your phone calls, or you can use it just as an audio recorder as well. So if you attend lots of meetings, take lots of notes during those meetings, then the Comulytic Note Pro is going to be a very nice, helpful gadget to improve your productivity and solve all of your problems related to notes, pen points, summaries, transcription, etc. If you're planning to buy it, then I have shared the link in the description of this video, and you can use the code showing on the screen to get an extra discount. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.